I'm really excited to share with you a few tips on why we find setting goals challenging. I want to just introduce three of them. This is just three of them that I raised on a recent 3 days goal setting challenge that I ran. Have a look, watch and see what you think.
First one is that you don't start. Okay, you put it off. You wait, and this is the key. You wait until you feel like you're ready. The key word there is feel. Sometimes we want to get all the ducks stacked, or whatever the term is, get it all stacked up in front of us, all get it neatly in order, so that at the end of the day, we can feel like I'm ready, I can do it. Okay. Now, the challenge of that is it may never feel, or you may never feel ready. Sometimes you've just got to jump, and you've got to trust that as you develop and grow and as you learn stuff, you will develop those things. So the first thing is you don't start. The second thing is a lack of planning. Have too many objectives. It's too big a thing. There's a lack of a solid plan, okay, a system. So you've thought about the goal, but you've almost like put the goal up and said, I'm going to imagine every day that I've reached that goal. But what you're not doing is anything to attain that goal or to get there. So actually, it's a lack of a solid plan. It might be that the goal is too vague. It's just not focused enough. So actually, it's really hard to keep moving forward. It might be that you don't block out the time. So this is this bit about, how do I find the time to do what's important? The fourth thing is that you're jumping too hard. Now, it could be that too many choices can be demoralizing and paralyzing in terms of taking action. Or it could be that in that sense of 1 to 10, you've set the goal so high that actually it's almost impossible to get there. It's beyond where you are now. And so we need to readdress that by recognizing that at the moment we have to set a more realistic goal. So it could be a more realistic goal, or it could be really, really clear milestones along the way. So I don't just go for it. I'm going for the first bit of it. I'm going for the second bit of it. Okay. Now, that's partially why setting a system and having a clear system works, because you end up doing the things that get you there, and you're less focused on the there. Okay. But we do need to measure distance, and we need to celebrate movement along the way.
If you enjoyed watching those clips from my recent challenge, I really want to help you to try and get from A to B, to reach your dreams, and to be somebody who actually is moving forward. Whatever age you are, I believe that we all have potential. We all have things that we could attain that we've not yet attained. So follow the channel, and I will be putting up lots of stuff, lots of content that will help you to move forward in life. So thanks very much. Bye-bye.